In this video, I will discuss line segment congruence. So before we start this topic, we need to understand something about line segments. So let's say, for example, if you have a line AB and you have a midpoint here, let's say C. If this is, let's say, 6 and this is 8, and if I ask you the segment AB, so let's say A is here, B is here, what is the total length for segment AB? Then it will be segment AC plus segment CB. So basically this distance plus this distance. That will be 6 plus 8 is equal 14. Now if the unit is centimeter, then the unit will be centimeter. If it is in inches, then the unit will be inches. Okay. Now if, let's try some more example. If the total length is given, let's say 20, if the total length of segment AB is 20 and CB segment is, let's say, 12, then how much will be segment AC? If we have to find such solution, then how do we do it? A to B. So the total distance is 20. C to B, this distance is 12. So this distance will be 20 minus 12. So your answer will be 8. Again, if the unit is centimeter, then the unit is centimeter. That's it. So that is the basic concept of line and segment. Now what about line segment congruence? So for example, if you have a segment AB and here let's say you have a point P. Now if I say that segment AP is congruent to segment PB, this sign is for sign of congruence. Sign of congruence. So if I say segment AP is congruent to segment PB, what does it mean? It means if this is X, then this will also be X. If this is 2X, then this will also be 2X. If this is 2X plus 6, then this will also be 2X plus 6. That means they will be similar or kind of equal. Now in this question, let's try one more example here. Let's say you have a segment PR and Q is the point given here, and let's say this PQ is 6x plus 20 and QR is 2 times x plus 6. So basically this information is given that segment PQ is 6x plus 20 and segment QR is 2 times x plus 6. Now if we want to find x, how we can solve such problem? Now if you look at this sign like this and this, it means they are congruent. Also it is given in the question that segment PQ is congruent to segment QR. What does it mean? That they are equal. So substitute the value 6x plus 20 equal 2 times x plus 6. This is how we solve. When we say congruent, just put the equal sign. Now distributive property, 2x plus 2 times 6, 12. And now you take this 2x to this side, or you do minus 2x both sides. And there is, you have plus 20, so you do minus 20 both sides. That will give you 4x is equal negative 8. And when you divide by 4 both sides, you will get x is equal minus 2. So your answer is x is equal minus 2. Now we can ask you one more question in this, that what is the length of segment PQ? Okay, and what is the length of segment QR? So if you want to find that, you need to substitute the value of x. How do we do this? 6x plus 20, 6 times minus 2 plus 20. How you got this minus 2? We substitute the value of x from here. X is minus 2. So that is minus 12 plus 20, that will give you 8. And let's try the another one, the QR, 2 of x plus 6, and that is, so when you solve this, you will get 8, right? This is minus 12 plus 20 will give you 8, and this is minus 2 plus 6, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Right, so that's how you can find the distance. And also we have seen that they are congruent. So what does it mean? If this is 8, this will also be 8, right? So if you find one distance, you don't have to find the another one if it is given that these two are congruent, right? So this is 8 and this is also be 8. Okay, let's try one more problem. Now in this question we have given that segment TV, T and V, we have a point here U. So U is between T and V. This is given information. And now this is given that TU, segment TU is congruent to segment UV. This information is given. And when you say this is congruent, it means they are equal. TU is 7x plus 35 and UV is 4 times x plus 7. So this information is given in the question. Now what we have to do is we need to find x value, we need to find TU, and we need to find TV. Okay, so let's just solve this now. So again we will use the distributive property here. That will give you 4x plus 28. And now this will be minus 4x minus 4x. That is minus 35 minus 35. That will give you 3x is equal negative 7. So x is equal negative 7 over 3. Right? That's your answer. Now how you will find TU and TV? You will substitute the value of x. So TU is 7x plus 35. So 7 times minus 7 over 3 plus 35. Solve this and you will get your answer. Now whatever answer you will get, you will have to do it double of 2 times segment TU. So when you will do this, you will get your answer for TV also, because TV is the total length. This plus this. That's how you solve the questions on the line segment congruence. That's it for this video.